बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे और खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टडी टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको कामयाब करे। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ चैप्टर नंबर 1 मिस्टर चिप्स का जो चैप्टर नंबर 1 है उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हु रोट द नॉवल गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स। ये क्वेश्चन भी आ जाता है और MCQs तो मस्ट आता है ना। तो हम आंसर इसका करेंगे। जेम्स हिल्टन रोट द नॉवल गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स। Question number 2 है where did Mr. Chips lodge after his retirement from Brookfield? How long did Mr. Chips stay at Mrs. Wickett's? यानी ये क्वेश्चन दो तरह से आ सकता है। जब मिड में और लिखा होता है तो ऊपर जो लिखा हुआ है उस तरह से भी आ सकता है और जो जिस तरह नीचे लिखा हुआ है उस तरह से भी आ सकता है। Mr. Chips lived at Mrs. Wickett's after his retirement from Brookfield. Mrs. Wickett's house was just across the road from Brookfield. He had been living there for more than a decade. Question number 3 है how did Mr. Chips measure his time when he lived at Mrs. Wickett's house? At Mrs. Wickett's, Mr. Chips, like some old sea captains, measured his time by the signals of the past. The proceedings of Brookfield were the signals of the past for both the Chips and the Wicket. What type of voice did Mr. Chips have after his retirement? After his retirement, Mr. Chips had a jerky, high-pitched voice. Over his voice, however, his voice still had a good deal of sprightliness in it. How did Mr. Chips pass his retired life? Mr. Chips lived a cozy and peaceful life at Mrs. Wickett's. After his retirement, he sat by the fire and drank tea and listened to school bells. How did Chips end his daily activities at Mrs. Wickett's? At the end of his day, Mr. Chips would wind up the clock after the last bell at Brookfield. Then he would turn out gas and carry a detective novel to go to the bed to enjoy a peaceful sleep. What kind of sleep did Mr. Chips enjoy after his retirement? Mr. Chips enjoyed a peaceful sleep after his retirement. His sleep was like a mystic intensifying of perception. It was not changeful in entrance into another world. Who was Merivale? Mr. Merivale was the physician of Chips who used to visit Mr. Chips every fortnight or so. According to him, there was really nothing the matter with Mr. Chips. He said that Mr. Chips was going to die a natural death as he was past the age when people got horrible disease. What advice did Merivale give to Mrs. Wickets about Chips? Dr. Merivale would sometimes advise her to look after Mr. Chips as his chest put strain on his heart. He usually advised Mrs. Wicket so when Chips had a cold or when east winds roared over the Finlands. Why was 1870 easy to remember for Chips? Chips joined Brookfield in 1870. That year was easy to remember for him because of the Franco-Prussian War. When did Mr. Chips join Brookfield and where had he been working before joining Brookfield? Mr. Chips joined Brookfield in 1870. He had been at Melbury for a year before he put in for Brookfield. Why did Mr. Chips quit Melbury? Why did Mr. Chips not like the previous school? Mr. Chips disliked Melbury because he had been ragged there a good deal. Actually, discipline was not always his strong point at Melbury. What kind of person was Mr. Weatherby? Mr. Weatherby was the headmaster of the Brookfield. He was very fatherly and courteous person. He helped Brookfield a lot to be a front rank school. What do you know about Mr. Chips joining Brookfield in 1870? Mr. Chips joined Brookfield in 1870. It was a beautiful sunny day when Mr. Chips came to Brookfield for his preliminary interview. He met Weatherby during his interview for the first time. Mr. Weatherby gave him many valuable pieces of advices. Describe Mr. Chips' first meeting with Weatherby. Mr. Chips met Weatherby for the first time during his preliminary interview at Brookfield. He found Mr. Weatherby very fatherly and courteous. This meeting was very useful for Chips because Mr. Weatherby gave Chips very valuable pieces of advice during his first meeting. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आप लोगों के साथ फर्स्ट 15 क्वेश्चन शेयर कर दिए चैप्टर नंबर 1 के। नेक्स्ट जो है मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूंगी। अगर किसी भी किस्म के आप लोगों को नोट्स वगैरह चाहिए तो आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में, आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ रिमेनिंग शेयर करूँगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।